What if one tiny spice sitting quietly in your kitchen could help solve health problems people struggle with for years? No complicated routines, no expensive treatments, just one simple daily habit. I started chewing cloves, and what happened next honestly shocked me. I didn't change my diet, I didn't start any new medication, and I didn't follow some extreme health plan. But within just a few weeks, my body began responding in ways I never expected, and one by one, 11 common health problems started fading. The kind many people believe they simply have to live with. What's even more surprising is that almost no one talks about this simple habit. Yet the results speak for themselves. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments. How old are you and where are you watching from? Let's begin. 1. Toothache and dental pain relief. Cloves have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for tooth pain, and modern science supports this traditional use. The key compound responsible is eugenol, a natural anesthetic that can temporarily numb nerves and reduce pain signals. When you chew cloves, eugenol is released directly into the mouth, where it can help soothe irritated gums and aching teeth. It also has strong antibacterial properties that may help control harmful oral bacteria that worsen infections. Research published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that eugenol significantly inhibits the growth of several bacteria linked to dental disease. This dual-effect pain relief plus bacterial control makes cloves particularly useful for temporary oral comfort. While they don't replace dental care, chewing cloves may help reduce discomfort, support oral hygiene, and promote a healthier environment inside the mouth. 2. Bad breath and oral bacteria overgrowth. Persistent bad breath is often caused by bacterial buildup in the mouth, especially on the tongue and gums. Cloves help address this at the source rather than just masking odor. Their natural antimicrobial compounds can reduce odor-producing bacteria, while their strong aromatic oils provide long-lasting freshness. Chewing cloves also stimulates saliva production, which naturally washes away food particles and bacteria. Saliva plays a crucial role in maintaining oral balance and preventing decay. Research published in the Journal of Dentistry shows that clove extracts exhibit strong antibacterial effects against oral pathogens responsible for halitosis. Regularly chewing cloves may therefore help maintain fresher breath by controlling microbial growth, improving oral hygiene, and supporting the natural cleansing process of saliva. Over time, this may contribute to better gum health and reduced plaque formation. 3. Indigestion, gas, and bloating. Digestive discomfort such as bloating, gas, and slow digestion often results from poor enzyme activity or inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract. Cloves contain essential oils that stimulate digestive enzyme production, helping the body break down food more efficiently. They also have anti-inflammatory properties that may calm irritation in the stomach lining. Traditionally, cloves have been used to relieve nausea and digestive sluggishness, and modern research supports this effect. A study reported in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that clove extracts enhance digestive enzyme activity and reduce gastrointestinal inflammation. Chewing cloves after meals may help reduce fermentation of undigested food, which is a major cause of bloating and discomfort. Over time, this can support smoother digestion, reduced abdominal pressure, and improved nutrient absorption. 4. Elevated blood sugar and poor glucose control. Blood sugar imbalance is a growing concern, especially with aging. Some research suggests cloves may help support glucose metabolism by improving insulin activity and enhancing cellular uptake of sugar. Eugenol and other polyphenol found in cloves appear to help regulate enzymes involved in carbohydrate metabolism. A study published in the Life Sciences reported that clove compounds improved glucose uptake and helped regulate blood sugar levels in experimental models. Cloves also provide antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress, a key contributor to insulin resistance. Chewing cloves regularly may therefore support healthier blood sugar responses, particularly when combined with balanced nutrition and physical activity. While not a replacement for medical treatment, cloves may serve as a helpful dietary addition for metabolic health support. 5. Liver stress and oxidative damage. The liver is constantly exposed to toxins, metabolic waste, and oxidative stress. Cloves contain powerful antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells. Eugenol in particular has been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in liver tissue. Research in the Journal of Cancer Prevention found that clove antioxidants helped protect liver cells from damage by reducing inflammatory markers and oxidative injury. By supporting the body's natural detoxification processes, cloves may help maintain healthier liver function over time. Chewing cloves allows these protective compounds to be absorbed and circulated through the body. This may help support metabolic balance, reduce toxin burden, and protect liver cells from long-term damage. 6. Weakened immune response. A strong immune system depends heavily on antioxidant protection and inflammation control, both areas where cloves excel. They contain flavonoids, tannins, and phenolic compounds that help regulate immune activity and protect cells from damage. Research published in Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity shows that clove antioxidants help reduce inflammatory stress and enhance immune defense mechanisms. Chewing cloves may also support oral immunity, since many infections enter through the mouth. Their antimicrobial properties help control pathogens before they spread further into the body. Regular consumption may therefore support immune resilience, faster response to infection, and reduced inflammatory burden. 7. Respiratory inflammation and breathing discomfort. Cloves contain compounds that may help calm inflammation in the respiratory tract and inhibit microbial growth. Eugenol and beta-caryophyllene have anti-inflammatory effects that may reduce airway irritation and support easier breathing. Research reported in the molecules found that clove extract reduced respiratory inflammation and oxidative stress in experimental studies. Chewing cloves releases aromatic oils that may help clear airways and soothe throat irritation. Their antimicrobial action may also help reduce pathogens associated with respiratory infections. This combination may support respiratory comfort, especially during seasonal irritation or mild congestion. 8. Heart health and arterial protection. Cardiovascular disease often begins with oxidative stress and inflammation that damage blood vessels. Cloves contain antioxidants that help prevent LDL cholesterol oxidation, a key step in plaque formation. Research in biomolecules found that clove compounds help protect vascular tissue by reducing oxidative stress and improving endothelial function. Healthy endothelial cells are essential for proper blood flow and blood pressure regulation. Chewing cloves may help support circulation, reduce inflammation, and maintain healthier arteries over time. Their anti-inflammatory compounds may also reduce risk factors linked to cardiovascular disease progression. 9. Gastric ulcers and stomach lining damage. The stomach lining depends on protective mucus to shield it from acid damage. Clove compounds help stimulate mucus production and reduce inflammation, strengthening this protective barrier. Research in the Nonnenschmiedberg's Archives of Pharmacology found that clove extracts increased gastric mucus and reduced ulcer formation in experimental studies. Their antioxidant action also helps prevent oxidative damage to stomach tissue. Chewing cloves may therefore support stomach lining integrity and reduce irritation caused by acid or stress. 10. Parasitic and microbial infections. Cloves contain powerful antimicrobial compounds that disrupt parasite growth and reproduction. These bioactive molecules can interfere with parasite metabolism and damage their cellular structure. A study in infection and drug resistance found that clove extracts showed activity against certain parasites and microbial organisms. Chewing cloves introduces these compounds directly into the digestive system, where many parasites reside. Their anti-inflammatory properties may also help reduce tissue irritation caused by infection. 11. Stress, anxiety, and mental fatigue. Cloves contain compounds that may influence neurotransmitter pathways involved in mood regulation. Flavonoids and beta-caryophyllene interact with brain signaling systems that control stress responses. Research in the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Disease suggests clove compounds may have mild calming and anxiety-reducing effects. Their antioxidant properties also protect brain cells from oxidative stress linked to mental fatigue. Chewing cloves may provide subtle relaxation effects, improved mood balance, and reduced tension. If you found these health benefits helpful, imagine what one small daily habit could do for your long-term wellness. Try it consistently, listen to your body, and always take care of your health the natural way. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss simple tips that can help you live healthier and stronger every day. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.